Hey guys, this is my honest review of these two 4 amp hour DeWalt batteries. Honestly, I'd love to tell you that there's something wrong with them. They don't perform well, but I can't. They're fantastic. They are very durable. I've used these things as hammers on the butt of drills. I've dropped them, I've kicked them, I've charged them, I've run them all the way down. They perform. They last a long time, they charge up quickly. I just love these things. I can't speak highly enough about them. And I will show you one more thing. So this is the DCB240. It's a little bit wider base. This is another 4-hour battery. It's taller and the base is not as large. Therefore, you put this on your drill or any other type of tool, it's gonna sit a little bit better and be less likely to fall over. That for me is a huge benefit. So go get these guys. 2 4 amp hour batteries, you will not be sorry.